Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Please subscribe if you are new in my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create tag for your posts. And I have already shown how you can create your post and categorize them in my last videos. It is a series. If you want to see the last videos, you just go in the description box below. And now to make the tags for your posts, you just go in post pin, and under that post pin you can see there is a name called tag. Press here, and then now you can see that you can add the tag here. So I started creating a website for the restaurant, and I want some of my post to be tagged under. So I have chosen 3 tags for my posts. One is alpha, and I'll come for this login description later. I just add new tag. You can see the alpha name has been created, and also the slug automatically took alpha. And the second one, I want beta, and I add the new tag, and you can see on the right side the beta has been created. And the last one, I need gamma. So why we're creating tags, you will know it when you are going to create blog page. There your categories and your tag will come really in handy while you are showing your post to your visitors. Now here, when you can see that while you're hovering over each of them, they're showing edit, quick edit, delete. Let's say you have created one of them that you are not going to use, so you can delete here. And let's say you want some description here as well, so you just go here, edit button again. So the gamma one, maybe you would like the vegan, the post about your vegan items in your restaurant to go under this gamma tag. So just right here, vegan post, and then update it. So whoever will come in your tags will know that all the vegan posts, or some of them, must have the tag gamma. And also we can edit the beta tag. Maybe that this time we're going to give the nutrition under beta. So just follow my previous videos in this series, then you'll know that why I am putting nutrition and also vegan here. And I update it, and I go back to the tags, and now you see that there is a description. And what is the count? Count is how many posts has been placed under these tags. We haven't chose none yet. So first, in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can actually put any post under the categories and under the tags. So far, so good. So thank you very much for your attention, and also I would encourage you to subscribe my channel, because it is coming with lots of different videos. Thank you.